Thank you. Our first question. Find the solution set of the equation absolute value of x equals negative x. Presec Legon.
The x is such that x is a member of all real numbers, where x is less than 0.
No. Okay, so the answer is x is such that x is less than or equal to 0. A committee of 3 is to be formed from 3 men and 3 women. In how many ways can this be done if there are 2 women and 1 man on the committee? Yes, Deborah.
9 ways.
That's correct. Describe the set of points x, y such that x squared plus y squared is greater than 4 but less than 9. Okay, so it's the region between 2 concentric circles with center at the origin and having radii 2 and 3. 2 very large parallel plates separated by 4 millimeters have a potential difference of 800 volts across them. Find the magnitude. Okay, Presec.
200 kilovolts per meter.
That is correct. Water escapes from a small hole near the bottom of a large tank containing water to a depth of 1.8 meters. Find the speed. Presec.
6.0 meters per second.
That's not correct. Oh, find the speed with which the water escapes from the hole. Okay, I have 6 meters per second. A heat engine absorbs 750 joules of heat at a hot reservoir and rejects 450 joules of heat at a cold reservoir. What is the thermal efficiency?
40%.
That's correct. A mycorrhiza is a symbiotic association between a fungus and the roots of vascular plants. How do plants benefit? Presec.
So the mycorrhiza will increase the surface area of the roots of the plant, which will increase the rate at which the plant is able to absorb its water and mineral nutrients from the soil.
That's correct. In which part of the mammalian respiratory system does the actual exchange of
the alveoli of the lungs?
That is correct. Which macronutrient is a component of all organic compounds but is not obtained?
Carbon.
That is correct. When solid KMNO4 is heated, K2MNO4, MNO2, and oxygen gas are formed. Give a balance.
KMNO4. 2 moles of KMNO4 going to give K2MNO4 plus MNO2 plus O2.
I'll accept this, but this is your last warning. What is the difference between hard water and heavy?
Hard water is water which is difficult to. Hard water is water in which there is difficulty to form lather with soap. Whereas heavy water is water in which there is the deuterium atom, that's D2O, instead of the hydrogen atom.
That's correct. Name the isomeric alkene or alkenes of 1-pentene, which will show cis-trans isomerism. Presec.
2-pentene.
That's correct. That brings us to the end of round 2.